Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drum baffle screw in your dryer. The reason why you might do this is because your drum baffle is loose or the screw is missing or damaged. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So for this repair, we're going to need to turn the dryer around using our 1/4-inch nut driver. Take these screws out holding this top panel on. Now that the screws are off, we can pull this back, take that off and set it off to the side. So as you can see here, our middle screw is a bit loose for whatever reason. So we're just going to take that out and we're just going to replace it with a new screw. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. There we go. We just have to get that lined up. Now we're going to put the top cover back on. Now that that's on, we can put our screws back in. And once you've done that, we can turn the dryer back around, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.